What is the use of pineapple water on an empty stomach? Before starting, you should know that both the peel and the pulp have anti-inflammatory and depurative properties, and that they are best used by the body when it is on an empty stomach. Pineapple is one of the most demanded tropical fruits. Its consumption is not only limited to fresh fruit, but also in juice, ice cream and canned. According to the AQ Red Encyclopedia, pineapple, ananas scientific name, is rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron and sodium. Now, what are the benefits of drinking pineapple water? If you want to find out, keep watching this video and like it. What happens if you drink pineapple water on an empty stomach? Pineapple water should be drunk without sugar. Having clarified this point, its effect on your body on an empty stomach extends to the following: it reduces inflammation, helps you lose weight, takes care of your liver and benefits your thyroid. Benefits of drinking pineapple water on an empty stomach. The effects of pineapple water on the body, in addition to ingesting it on an empty stomach, will also depend on what accompanies it. 1. Moisturizing and healing. According to a research conducted by the Chirigarcia Central Clinic in Cuba, a glass of pineapple water with honey can favor the correct closure of lesions. 2. Anti-inflammatory. To achieve this benefit, it is recommended to drink a glass of warm pineapple water with a few drops of lemon in the morning. 3. Eliminates bacteria. Combine a tablespoon of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon and a glass of pineapple water. Drink on an empty stomach. What happens if you drink pineapple water every day? Drinking pineapple water does not raise your blood sugar or calories per day, in case you were in doubt. However, it is the best liquid option if you don't really like plain water or you want it to do all this for your body. 1. Pineapple water to reduce inflammation. Pineapple water has a component called bromelain, which destroys toxins that attack the tissues and produce inflammation. This result was reached by a research of the Sri Ramchandra University in India. 2. Pineapple water for weight loss. Pineapple is an excellent support when it comes to eliminate extra kilos, because it provides the following benefits. It increases the feeling of satiety, reduces cravings for sweets, hydrates, and accelerates metabolism. 3. Pineapple water for the liver. Pineapple bromelain is an enzyme that acts as a catalyst in the liver, allowing the body to process vitamins and proteins that come to us through food. How to prepare pineapple water. Ingredients: half pineapple with skin, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 liter of water. Preparation: the first thing is to cut the pineapple, at the same time remove the peel. Although you are not going to throw it away, on the contrary, boil it together with the water, the pineapple and the cinnamon for 20 minutes. After that time, remove from the heat, let it cool and strain. Now you know what pineapple water is for on an empty stomach. What are you waiting for to enjoy all its benefits?